A musical instrument manufacturer is looking to replace their open fire torch with induction equipment. The induction unit they purchased before cannot be automated, so they turn to UltraFlex for a more effective solution for their annealing process. The main objectives are to ensure better quality and consistency of the results, determine how fast each part can be annealed, assess the ease of swapping out coils for various parts, understand the reaction to brass versus nickel-silver, and evaluate how the annealing process affects the large flare end of the French horn part. Reducing timing and increasing productivity are essential goals. There were 2 tests. Both tests had the same power set point of 60% of the power output, but different frequency. For test 1, an UltraFlex multi-turn lab coil was used and the temperature was set to plus 1000 degrees Celsius. The heat cycle time was relatively short, lasting 1 minute and 38 seconds. For test 2, the temperature was slightly lower at plus 800 degrees Celsius, but the frequency was higher. In this case, the heat cycle time was a bit shorter, lasting 1 minute and 30 seconds, but temperature limitations were kept. The Solo 12 system is well suited for this application, as demonstrated in the video. We employed a cobot arm during the test to highlight the automation capabilities of UltraFlex equipment and to facilitate future flexibility in switching to the brazing process, thereby optimizing the entire production line. This allowed us to address the customer's primary concern. The system provides variable power outputs that can be adjusted throughout each cycle, accommodating differences in part thickness. UltraFlex's innovative approach and advanced technology provided the customer with a reliable and efficient solution, significantly improving the annealing process for musical instruments manufacturing. For more details, use the reference number AR 3463. 7707. Don't miss our next case studies and subscribe to our YouTube channel.